Imagine you are cruising down the highway enjoying a smooth ride and expecting great fuel economy. But suddenly your engine starts to shudder and that dreaded check engine light pops up on your dashboard. You might be dealing with the diagnostic trouble code P3424, which specifically points to a high circuit issue in the cylinder 3 exhaust valve control. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning it applies to many vehicles made from 1996 to the present, including brands like Dodge, Jeep, and Chevrolet. Your engine has a clever feature called cylinder deactivation, which turns off certain cylinders during light loads like idling or steady highway driving to save you fuel. This is often called V4 mode in a V8 engine. The engine control module manages this process using variable valve timing solenoids that physically turn the exhaust valves on and off. When the computer detects that the voltage or resistance in the circuit for cylinder 3 is way higher than it should be, it triggers this code and might even shut down the fuel injector for that cylinder to protect the engine. This can cause a very noticeable misfire, which you should never ignore because it can lead to permanent internal damage. You might notice your fuel consumption jumping up or your engine performing poorly. The most common culprits are a faulty variable valve timing solenoid, low engine oil level or pressure, or even a restricted oil passage. Sometimes it is just damaged wiring or a corroded connector. To fix this, always start by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as this could save you a lot of time. Make sure your oil is topped off and clean, as these systems rely heavily on oil pressure. Look closely at the wiring near the exhaust manifold for any signs of burning or rubbing. If you are comfortable with a digital multimeter, you can check for continuity and proper voltage ranges. A common mistake people make is replacing the solenoid immediately without checking the oil pressure or the wiring first, so take your time to diagnose it right the first time.